Welcome. If you're looking for a way to secure your future with guaranteed income, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into annuities, a powerful financial tool that can transform your savings into a steady cash flow for life. Whether you're planning for retirement or looking to protect your legacy, understanding annuities is essential. So, what exactly is an annuity? It's a contract between you and an insurance company. You invest money either all at once or over time, and in return, the company promises to pay you income in the future. This income can last for a specific number of years or even for the rest of your life. Now, let's explore the different types of annuities available to you. First, we have the fixed annuity, which offers guaranteed payments and a fixed interest rate. This option is fantastic for those seeking stability. Then there's the variable annuity, where payments fluctuate based on market performance. This option provides more growth potential, but comes with increased risk. Next up is the indexed annuity, which is tied to a market index like the S&P 500. It offers growth potential while providing some protection. If you're looking for immediate income, the immediate annuity is perfect. As you start receiving payments, right out a deal for retirees. Lastly, we have the deferred annuity, where payments begin later, allowing your investment to grow. So, why should you consider an annuity? They provide guaranteed income for life or for a set period. Tax-deferred growth until you start receiving payments, and protection from outliving your savings. Plus, you can customize options for beneficiaries and payout schedules to fit your needs. For example, imagine you invest $100,000 in a fixed annuity at age 60. Starting at 65, you could receive $500 a month for life no matter how long you live. That's peace of mind. However, there are some important things to consider. Be aware of fees and surrender charges, limited liquidity, and the impact on taxes and estate planning. It's crucial to choose the right type of annuity that aligns with your goals. If you need help understanding or choosing the right annuity, don't hesitate to reach out to Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services. You can contact us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com. We're here to help you make smart, confident decisions for your future. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more financial tips, tax insights, and retirement strategies. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.